Production is on schedule, but shipments are delayed. Materials are stocked, but inventory costs are soaring. The data exists, but where's the insight? Manufacturing generates tons of data from machines, ERP systems, suppliers, and customers. But without business intelligence, most of it stays stuck in silos, untapped. Business intelligence turns raw data into real-time insights. Monitor performance, track efficiency, and detect risks before they impact production. Cut downtime, improve throughput, reduce waste. BI lets you optimize operations using facts, not guesswork. Track supplier performance, anticipate delays, and improve quality control. With BI, your factory becomes more responsive and resilient. With drill downs, filters, and mobile dashboards, you get full control from the floor to the forecast. At CyberBark, we help manufacturers transform scattered data into smart decisions. Fast, secure, and scalable. Ready to unlock real-time insights across your production line? Let's build your BI roadmap together. Visit www.cyberbark.com